How to fix Western Union error code C7777. Now to fix Western Union error code C7777, you can report the issue to Western customer care, or you can simply follow these steps. First, you want to make sure that it is not the issue with the internet connection, so make sure that the internet or Wi-Fi is actually working just fine. After you've made sure of that, then the next thing you want to do is make sure that your system is updated to the latest version. So you can open settings, scroll down to the system section and go to system updates to see if you have any sort of updates available. If you do, then make sure to update it to the latest version. If you have the Western Union application installed, long press on the app, tap on the app info button over there, then simply go to the option called storage and cache, and from there make sure to clear the cache files, clear the storage again. Check if the Western Union app has an update available, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. And this way you will be able to go ahead and then basically fix Western Union error code 7777. Hope this video was really helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you in the next video.